Hey there, today we're checking out FoodSaver Custom Length Vacuum Sealer Bags Multipack, designed for airtight food storage and sous vide cooking. These rolls are proudly made in the USA and keep your food fresh for weeks, not just days. You can cut each roll to your desired length, creating a custom fit for any food item. They are compatible with FoodSaver vacuum sealing systems, making them easy to use with your existing equipment. Made from BPA-free material, these bags are safe for raw and cooked foods and can go in the freezer, refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher. They help prevent freezer burn and spoilage up to 5 times longer than traditional storage methods. This pack includes 2 8 by 20 inch rolls and 3 11 by 16 inch rolls for versatile storage options. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.